Supreme Court dashed any hopes today for President Obama's immigration plan. They ruled to block the president's executive action that would have allowed millions of illegal immigrants to stay and work in the U.S. The dreamers or the children of those illegal immigrants will be allowed to stay, but their parents could face deportation if they break the law.
I think it is heartbreaking for the millions of immigrants who made their lives here, who've raised families here, who hope for the opportunity to work, pay taxes, serve in our military, and more fully contribute to this country we all love in an open way.
The decision is certainly sparking plenty of reaction here in our community. Local 10 News reporter Glenna Milberg is live at downtown Miami's Freedom Tower. With that, Glenna.
Lori, the reaction here at the Freedom Tower at this event comes from those for whom the decision today utterly dashed hopes, added an element of fear to their lives that their lives and the lives of their families very possibly could change in an instant.
My immigration status becomes very complex.
For some here, the Supreme Court's split decision makes a public appearance a deportation risk.
I went through the fears that my parents could eventually be picked up and in the street at some point and be deported.
You know, my dad's been pulled over before and has, been like, I don't have a driver's license, and they've threatened him with arrest and stuff. Unfortunately, it's never come to him being actually detained, but there has been like close calls.
Some 230,000 people who think of themselves as Floridians because they've been here that long are again caught in the middle of living, working, raising families, even paying taxes, but undocumented, and now without a certain legal process to overcome their initial illegal entry. For the younger ones, this may be the only country they know.
We've helped mothers who were about to be deported and desperate to find out where their children were before that happened.
Legal advocate Cheryl Little is on the front lines of the U.S. immigration dilemma, so politically divisive that a live Periscope feed of the speeches today brought calls to build a wall, deport all illegals immediately.
This tie decision is a reminder is how important it is for Congress to step up to the plate and pass comprehensive immigration reform.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that live in the shadows, as we say, but it is through sharing our stories and not being scared to put our names or anything that we empower people.
Today's event here was also a call to action. People here want to rally those affected, those with a stake in immigration, and those who support them to rally the vote come November. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in Miami tonight, Local 10 News.